Name the political guru of Mahatma Gandhi. Political guru of Mahatma Gandhi is Gopal Krishna Gokhale, who said that India's soul lies in villages. It was said by Mahatma Gandhi. What was the name of newspaper edited by Gandhiji till 1933? So the name of the newspaper was Young India. Who among the following revolutionaries was executed by British? So the revolutionary was Rajguru. Who among the following was the first Viceroy of India? The person was Lord Canning. Who among the following established the Gadar party? So it was established by Lala Hardayal. C option is correct here. Mahatma Gandhi launched the civil disobedient movement in 1930 from Sabarmati Ashram. A option is correct here. Keshri the newspaper was started by B.G. Tilak. The third Battle of Panipat was fought in the year of 1761 AD. The Purna Swaraj resolution was adopted in the annual session of Indian National Congress held at Lahore. Whom did Bal Gangadhar Tilak refer to as his political guru? So the person's name is not given here. The next question, who introduced doctrine of lapses? So it was introduced by Lord Dalhousie. The Lahore conspiracy case was registered against Bhagat Singh. Who among the following was the founder of the Dravid Kajhagam? So founder of Dravid Kajhagam was Periyar E.V. Ramaswamy Naikar. A option is correct here. Aurobindo was arrested in connection with Alipur bomb case. Next question. The national anthem was first sung in the year 1911 at the annual session of Indian National Congress held at Calcutta. Who is known as the Indian Bismarck? The person is Vallabhbhai Patel, who is known as Indian Bismarck. Which party was established by Subhash Chandra Bose after he came out of Indian National Congress? The party was Forward Bloc. The Ramakrishna Mission was established by Vivekanand. In 1937, the Congress formed ministries in 7 states. A option is correct here. Which was the main cause for starting of the Quit India movement in 1942? So the cause was failure of the Cripps mission. Which movement got the support both from Hindus and Muslims? The movement was Non-Cooperation Movement. In which session of the Indian National Congress was Purna Swaraj adopted as its goal? So it was the session of Lahore. Name the Governor General who accepted the view of Macaulay to make English as the medium of instruction. So the Governor General was Lord William Bentinck. Give me blood, I will give you freedom. These words are attributed to Subhash Chandra Bose, who was the first Muslim president of Indian National Congress. The Muslim president of Indian National Congress was Badruddin Tayyibji, who was the first Indian Governor General after Lord Mountbatten. Governor General was Siraj Gopalachari. Who did the so-called Black Hole tragedy take place? So-called Black Hole tragedy take place in Calcutta. India was granted freedom during the British Prime Minister Clement Attlee. Who are 3 among the following who fought against British in 1857 revolt? So Kunwar Singh, Tatia Tope, Nana Sahib or Maulvi Ahmadullah? You will have to answer this question in comment section. Next question. The Khilafat movement was launched to protest against humiliation of the Turkish Caliph. Who among the following founded the India Muslim League? It was founded by Aga Khan. The first satyagraha of Gandhiji for the cause of indigo farmers was observed at Champaran. The Portuguese governor who abolished sati in Goa was Albuquerque. According to Gandhi, the scope for class struggle and love for property can be reduced by trusteeship. The Battle of Plassey was fought between East India Company and Siraj-ud-Dowla. The non-cooperation movement started in the year of 1920. Who was the Nawab when Dalhousie annexed Awadh in 1856? So the Nawab was Wajid Ali Shah. In the integration of princely state, the following played a major role. So major role was played by Vallabhbhai Patel and V.P. Menon. Who among the following Viceroys became a victim of one of the convicts during his visit of the Andaman? So Viceroy was Mayo. The third battle of Panipat was fought between the Marathas and the Afghans. who termed Cribb's proposal as a post-dated check in a crashing bank. So, it termed by Gandhiji. The state Jhansi was made a part of the British Empire in India through doctrine of lapse. Mahatma Gandhi started his Dandi march from Sabarmati Ashram, who founded the Servants of India Society. It was founded by Gopal Krishna Gokhale. Gandhi's Dandi march is associated with civil disobedient movement. Who among the following is not a moderate? So the person is Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Permanent settlement of Bengal was done by British Governor General. It was done by Lord Cornwallis, who gave the title of Sardar to Vallabhbhai Patel. It was given by Gandhiji. In which session of Indian National Congress was the Purna Swaraj resolution adopted? It was adopted in Lahore session in 1929. Who was regarded by Gandhiji as his political guru? So the person was Gopal Krishna Gokhale. Which among the following movements was not led by Mahatma Gandhi? The movement was Swadeshi movement. The option is correct here. Who among the following is known as the father of the Indian Renaissance? So the person was Raja Ram Mohan Rai, who wrote the song Sare Jahan Se Acha Hindustan Hamara. It was written by Muhammad Iqbal, who was called the father of local self-government in India. The person is Lord Ripon. Who among the following is correctly matched? So the thing that is correctly matched is Indian National Army, Subhash Chandra Bose. In which year did the Indian National Congress split between moderates and extremists? So it was the year of 1907. Gandhi-Irwin Pact was signed on. It was signed on March 5, 1931. Who was the first Indian to qualify for Indian civil services? The person was Satyendranath Tagore. B option is correct here. Next question. Match the following. Frontier Gandhi, Grand Old Man of India. Mahatma Gandhi, a Strong Man of India. The name of these persons are given here. So we will have to match these questions. First, Frontier Gandhi. Frontier Gandhi. The name Frontier Gandhi is associated with Abdul Ghaffar Khan. Grand Old Man of India is associated with Dadabhai Naoroji, and Mahatma is associated with Madan Mohan Malviya, and Strong Man of India is associated with Vallabhbhai Patel. B option is correct here. Next question. Who founded the Indian National Party in Berlin during 1914? So it was founded by Champa Karman Pillai. Next question. During Quit India movement, parallel government was constituted at Balia. The option is correct here. The Pune Pact was an agreement between Gandhi and Ambedkar. Who gave the title of Sardar to Vallabhbhai Patel? It was given by Mahatma Gandhi, who was the Viceroy when Delhi became the capital of British India. The Viceroy was Lord Hardinge. C option is correct here. Who established the Indian Civil Liberties Union in 1936? So it was established by Jawaharlal Nehru. Which of the following was established first? The thing that is established first is University of Bombay. B option is correct here. Who gave the title of Mahatma to Madan Mohan Malviya? It was given by Mahatma Gandhi. C option is correct here. Who was the Viceroy at the time of Quit India movement? The Viceroy was Lord Lithgow. Who was the other Congress leader who joined with Motilal Nehru to start the Swaraj Party in 1930? It was done by Chitra Ranjan Das. The option is correct here. Who is known for establishing the Anand Van? So the person is Baba Amte. Rowlatt Act 1919 was enacted during the period of Lord Chelmsford. Constituent Assembly of India was formulated on the recommendation of Cabinet Mission. Who said truth is ultimate reality and it is God? It is said by M.K. Gandhi. Which of the following tribes is associated with the Tana Bhagat movement? So the tribe is Uron. A option is correct here. Who founded the Naujawan Bharat Sabha? It was founded by Sardar Bhagat Singh. The Narendra Mandal or Chamber of Princes was inaugurated in 1921 by Duke of Connaught. Who is commonly known as the Iron Man? The person is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Gandhiji withdrew the non-cooperation movement due to Chorachori incident. In 1937, an educational conference endorsing Gandhiji's proposal for basic education through the vernacular medium was held at Wardha. Gandhiji's Sal Satyagraha was a part of civil disobedience movement. The Peshwaship was abolished by the British at the time of Peshwa Bajirao II. The option is correct here. By which Charter Act the East India Company's monopoly of trade with China came to an end. The charter was Charter Act of 1833. The idea of federation was first proposed in the Nehru Report of 1928. Pitt's India Act of 1784 was a regulating act. Which one of the following statements is not true in the respect of Hume? The statement that is not correct is he presided over the Congress annual session twice. The option is correct here. Which of the following movements saw the biggest peasant guerrilla war on the eve of independence? It was Telangana movement. Gandhi's concept of trusteeship was transforms the capitalistic society into an egalitarian one. B option is correct here. The Dandi March of Gandhi is an example of direct action. Which one of the following cities the cities and personalities associated with their establishment is wrongly matched? So the city is Calcutta, Robert Clive. D option is correct here. Which one of the following wars decided the fate of the French in India? The war was Battle of Vandivash. For the annexation of which Indian kingdom the doctrine of lapse was not followed? So the place was Punjab. The option is correct here. Here comes our next question. Which was the earliest settlement of the Dutch in India? So it was the Pulicat. During British rule, who was instrumental for the introduction of Rohitwari system in the then Madras Presidency? So the person was Thomas Munro. Which one of the following novels was a source of inspiration for the freedom fighters in India? The novel was Anand Math. Name three important forms of satyagraha: non-cooperation, civil disobedience, and boycott. A option is correct here. When the East India Company was formed, the Mughal emperor in India was Akbar. Which one of the following events did not take place during the viceroyalty of Lord Curzon? The event was formation of Indian National Congress. The option is correct here. Next question. Who among the following organized the All India Depressed Classes Association in colonial India? So it was organized by B.R. Ambedkar. The Sepoy Mutiny of 1857 occurred during the Governor Generalship of Lord Canning. Who coined the term Satyagraha? It was coined by Gandhiji. India became independent during the Viceroyalty of Mountbatten. The Ramakrishna Mission was founded by Vivekananda. Who was the founder of Gadar Party? The founder of Gadar Party was Lala Hardayal. Socialism is essentially a movement of the workers. Who passed the Indian Universities Act? It was passed by Lord Curzon. Who among the following is the founder of the Azad Hind Force? The person was Subhash Chandra Bose, who is known as the father of Indian unrest. So the person was Bal Gangadhar Tilak. The first meeting of Indian National Congress held in 1885 was presided by Sri Vomesh Chandra Banerjee. The Gandhi's Dandi March was a part of civil disobedience movement. Find the incorrect match among the following. So the match is Sir Syed Murtaza Khan Aligarh Muslim University. A option is incorrect. The first country which discovered sea route to India was Portugal. Who introduced the Indian University Act? It was introduced by Lord Curzon. The Quit India resolution proposed the starting of non-violent mass struggle on the widest possible scale. Who gave the mantra do or die for this struggle? The person was Mahatma Gandhi. Which Charter Act brought to an end the East India Company's monopoly in India's foreign trade? So the Charter Act was Charter Act of 1813. C option is correct here.